Hello students, I'm Teacher Cherry. Today we're going to discuss about problem solving involving factors of polynomials. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to demonstrate understanding of key concepts of factors of polynomials and solve problems involving factors of polynomials. When solving problem involving factoring polynomials, apply all the possible of what you have learned in previous lesson and understand the problem carefully. Remember that the factoring of polynomials is reverse process of multiplying polynomials. By this concept, you will check if your answer is correct. The following steps may guide you in solving such problems. Steps 1. Identify what is being asked. Step 2. Identify what is or are given. 3. Choose the operation. 4. Show your solution. And 5. Write your answer. Example 1. Ashley bought pork barbecues worth 40x plus 80y pesos. If she buys 20 pieces of pork barbecue, how much is the cost of each? Here are the steps. Step 1. What is being asked? How much is the cost of each pork barbecue? Step 2. What are the given? Total cost of all pork barbecue 40x plus 80y. Number of pork barbecue is equal to 20. Choose the operation. Total cost is equal to the number of pork barbecue times amount of pork barbecue. 40x plus 80y pesos is equal to 20 times the amount of each barbecue. Show your solution. Then factor out 20 times 2x plus 4y over 20. We have 2x plus 4y pesos each. So your final step 5, the final answer is the amount of pork barbecue costs 2x plus 4y pesos. Example 2. Gerald earns x squared minus 25 pesos for working x minus 5 hours. How much does he earn per hour? Here are the steps. Number 1. How much does Gerald earn per hour? It is the what being asked and what is are given. Total earnings x squared minus 25. Number of hours x minus 5. Choose the operation. Total earnings is equal to the number of hours times rate per hour. X squared minus 25 pesos is equal to x minus 5 times rate per hour. Show your solution. Find the factored form of x squared minus 25 over x minus 5 is equal to x plus 5 pesos. The answer is Gary earns 9x plus 5 pesos per hour. Step 3. Example 3. Zoe is making a vegetable farm. Will be in her backyard. The vegetable farm be rectangular and have an area of 125y cubed minus 8d cubed feet squared. If the length of the vegetable farm is 5y minus 2d, what is its width? So, step 1, what is being asked? What is the width of the vegetable farm? Step 2, what are the given? Area of vegetable farm, 125y cubed minus 8d cubed feet square feet. Length of the vegetable farm, 5y minus 2d feet. Choose the operation. Area of the vegetable farm is equal to length times width of the vegetable farm. Substitute. So, number 4, step 4, show your solution. Get the factor form of 125y cubed minus 8d cubed. So, we have the final answer. Rectangular vegetable farm is 25y squared minus 10yd plus 4d squared feet is the width. Example 4. The area of the square table top is 4y squared plus 12y plus times meter squared. What polynomial expression represents the measure of each edge? Step 1. What is being asked? What polynomial expression represents the measure of each edge? Step 2. What are the given? Area of the square table top, 4y squared plus 12y plus 25. Choose the operation. Area of the square table top is equal to edge squared. So substitute, we have the solution. Square the first and last term because it is a perfect square trinomial. So we have the final answer is 2y plus 5 squared meter is the edge of the square table top. Example 5. A woman jogged 10x squared plus 25x plus 5 km for 5x plus 1 hours. What is her speed per hour? Here are the steps. Step 1. What is being asked? What is her speed per hour? Step 2. Total number of kilometers a woman jogged is equal to 10x squared plus 27x plus 5 km. Number of hours a woman jogged is equal to 5x plus 1 hours. Choose the operation. Total number of kilometers of a woman jogged is equal to number of hours a woman jogged times speed. So substitute, then show your solution. So the final answer, the speed of a woman is 2x plus 5 kilo per hour. Example 6. The product of two consecutive integers is 272. Find the value of each integer. The first thing you need to do is to define the integers. Let n is the first integer. Let n plus 1 the second integer. Then substitute two integers together. First integer times second integer is equal to 272. So we have n times n plus 1 is equal to 272. Now multiply everything out and set it equal to 0. N squared plus n is equal to 172. Transpose, additive inverse, n squared plus n minus 272 is equal to 272 minus 272. N squared plus n is equal to, so we have n squared plus n minus 272 is equal to 0. Now you need to factor and solve. Quantity n plus 17 times the quantity n minus 16 is equal to 0. N plus 17 is equal to 0 or n plus 16 is equal to 0. N is equal to negative 17 or n is equal to 16. Now substitute. N is equal to negative 17. And n plus 1 is equal to negative 16. N is equal to 16. We have n plus 1 is equal to 17. That's all. Thank you.